What's up, everyone? So before we get into today's episode, I thought it was important that I go ahead and film this quick intro to let you guys know that the following footage you're about to see, along with next few episodes that I'll be turning out for you guys, it was all filmed prior to the world pandemic going on. We are currently in Texas. We're at stay-at-home orders, and that's what we're all doing. My wife and I are working from home. Pops is home. The guys at Grinding World Classics, they're all at home. They're not working right now. So everybody's staying safe. From all of us here to all of you guys, we hope you all are staying safe and everything's going good for you guys and we can get through all this. So we're going to be putting out some videos for you guys to help keep you guys entertained. If you like what we're doing and you want to show some support, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because 95% of you watching my videos are not subscribed. So yeah, just go ahead and do that, and don't forget to like the videos, because that helps us out as well, shows that there's interest in these, and we can keep pumping these out for you guys and keep you guys entertained during this time. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and we got some more coming for you, so stay tuned.
Good morning. Today we're back on the 38 Dodge. Back on the Dodge Dilemma. We finally got our rear pan in, so I gotta make it fit now. I got some work for me, cut out for me, but that's alright. That's what we do. Not a problem. Okay. I don't know what I gotta do. This is the new rear pan. Don't fit properly. We got some cutting to do to get it to fit. I guess the first thing we got to do is make it fit up in here the way it's supposed to. So, get this. Get this open. Get right in there. At least now I know it's not going to come down on my head. Let's see what we got here. All right. Go there. So, no problem so far. Ew, that's some sticky shit. Cut that off, cut that off. Turn that up a little. See what happens then. So here's the problem that we had. The new piece that goes in here, this little area right here, I gotta round out more. Just how I'm going to do that yet. Oh yeah, we're coming. Season here. Looking better. Alright, right now we're going to finish welding all this up. Same on the other side over here. Get that all welded in, cleaned up. We've already test fitted the panel. Everything looks good. We'll get this stiffener put in. Panel put in, tacked in. We'll go to town. Alright, we'll start with cleaning up the mess I just made. We got the proper noise making device which will grind it down semi-smooth in a hurry. Ah, this will make some noise. Hold on to your ears. See that? Huh? That didn't take long. Now for the fun part. Now we gotta put this in the hole. So, not any further ado, whatever. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Over here. Down there, behind there, over there. We're set for the races. Well, almost. That's not bad for an amateur like me. The things that make you go, I wonder what the trunk looks like. Let's find out. We know the bottom gap is off because the trunk is all screwed up. Somebody worked on it, put a new lip on the bottom. Along here, it's all been rebent, re-welded. It's all in. Let's see what we got. Here we got an even gap. It's just too big. So, this is all new. That's the problem. I started this project with good intentions, but I've run amok. By the looks of things, this one's got to go up. Just a wee bit. That's off just a hair. Yeah. All right. Get that fixed first. All right, now we can take a look. That's off. It's low there and there. High here, high here, high here. Ah, we'll fix it. I'll fix it. I'm going to cut this whole lip off and see where somebody welded the shit out of it. This side even broke off. So now I'll just add a piece to the bottom, make a little L bracket, a little heat, a little shrinking, stretching, make it fit. The bracket I'm going to make going to look something like this. But that bracket, turn it around the right way. It's in there like that. It's too long right now. That'll form that rubber channel. Or a channel for the rubber, whatever you want to call it. But in the meantime, we got to get this tacked in place so it can't go anywhere. Okay, originally, on the original car, you would see this line. The bumper would come across here, but this panel was originally bolted in. But we're going to do away with that line because we want to fill it in and give it a clean look. We're still going to have a bumper, but we want to take care of this. We're going to do all of this. So we're going to cover up this line right here. It's no longer going to be a factory job. The boss has decided that's what he wants. That's what he's going to get. So for now, I'm just going to tack it 4 or 5 spots on each side so I can get my filler piece made in here, get my trunk done, and then I can go to welding everything up that I've had to replace. Had I had this panel to begin with, we probably would have done something a little bit different. But see, I got these all lined up good. This is what we're going to do. And as you notice, all the body lines really line up nice. So I really don't want to cut everything out because it'll mess up this body line, because I got it to fit perfect. Well, maybe not perfect. Close enough for the girls I go out with. So, all right, let's get that tacked in place here.